This is a 2010 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 5.4-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, variable valve timing, 17-inch wheels, dusk-sensing headlights, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Courtesy Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1636 Dogwood Drive Southeast in Conyers.